Hey y'all, you already know who it is. It's your girl Kandi. You know how we do, we cook quick and cute. But today I came to introduce to the world a few things I got going on. A lot of people ask me how they can make their food taste like mine. Here's a few things you can do. You get you some of this honey jerk sauce. And for those who like a little cognac, this is it right here. Kandi's yak sauce. Those who like a little sweet and tangy, get that lemon pepper sauce. If you don't want no sauces, what you do with your food to start out with, you get you a little seasoning. Here's that garlic and onion. Here's this lemon pepper. Man, if you want a kick, ain't nothing like this kicking Cajun. And for those of my vegetarian people, get y'all some of this vegetable seasoning. You know, if everybody like candy, string beans. If you want you some string beans, baby, I got you. And then this is that soul food. This is the food for your soul. This is how you get it right here. Today, we gonna cook real cute. We gonna make a little shrimp and everything. But I just wanna, take a time, introduce y'all to my sous chef today. And y'all may have met him before. I'm sure a lot of you know him. It's my firstborn, the young king. Mr. S, how are you?
I'm good. My question is, why I got this on, Mom? What we doing here?
Oh, you get ready to get in this kitchen and do what I like to do, cook.
all right, say no more.
We're going to make a little lemon pepper shrimp for the people.
All right.
And talk to them about your accomplishment.
All right, let's do it.
That Millie boy.
Yeah.
Mr. Love, come down.
Yeah, big shout outs to that. We hit 1 million views. Gotta address me different now.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
Talk to you nice.
Yeah,
Not me, boy. Get in there and get them shrimps.
Oh, all right.
Okay. Oh, you gotta get a little butter too. Get some butter in there. Let's turn this here on for the people and start that.
You want the smoke on this Valorant?
Yeah, that's enough. That's it. And we gonna take this here down to 350 real quick. And drop a little butter in there while that butter melt. I'll trash it for you. Okay, while that butter is melting, what you do is get you some of this lemon pepper. Boy, you got to take the cap off and...
Oh, this brand new.
Yeah.
This brand new.
Have to take the seal off. People know they stuff coming correct.
Yeah, that's brand new. My fault. Well, let my mistake be the lesson to you. This thing ain't used. Brand new. Let me know when to stop.
All right, you good. Did your ancestors say stop?
No, I was just waiting for you to say stop.
Okay, move your butter around a little bit.
With this?
Yeah, with that. Don't burn yourself.
I don't want to burn myself. Yeah.
Like that's good. Throw your shrimp on in there. Pick up the whole thing and just dump it in there. You're going to leave that in there for about, I want to say, you're going to leave that in there for about 6 minutes.
Okay.
You're going to cook it on both sides. And what we're going to do is talk to the people about what you got going on right now.
Oh, well. After, I just, well, as you know, you my mama, you done gave birth to me, so, I just finished celebrating my birthday and all that.
Yeah, that makes you old, not me. Though.
Stop. You know what I mean? After that, I'm back focused on the music.
No, we don't celebrate too long. You got to keep working.
Yeah, I'm back focused on the music.
The hustle don't stop.
At all. So I'm back focused on the music and stuff like that, you know what I mean? We're going to do the Harlem Horror 3 project coming up soon, so be on the lookout for that. It's coming real soon.
Yeah, because Harlem Horror was one of my favorite projects.
Yeah, that's like my baby. So I don't really push those. I don't really drop a lot of those. You know what I'm saying? It's my third one. The first one came out in 2013, and the second one came out in 2016. So that was like a 3 year gap. So it's like this about like a 6 year gap right here.
Okay, okay. So yeah, I'm sure the people ready for it.
Yeah.
But what we got going on now is this dripping.
Yeah. Dripping is going crazy right now. We got the.
It's definitely one of my favorites.
Yeah, nah, appreciate it. It's definitely doing this thing, doing its numbers and all that. You know, should I start flipping?
No, you got about a minute there.
Alright, yeah. So it's starting to do its numbers. It's over 100,000 views. It's doing its thing. We just recently reached the 1 million view mark on Love Come Down.
Y'all go check that dripping out. It's hot.
Yeah, go check out that new single called Drippin', produced by my guy Biggs. You know, on the last project called Big Icy, but the video is out right now, doing well. And then, you know, we got another single, so we pushing like 2 singles at the same time.
Yeah, that Coquito.
Yeah, we got the Coquito record doing this thing too.
Yeah,
you know
it was that season, boy.
Yeah, for sure. So that's growing right now. So we just almost done with the video. So that video will be out by like the end of this month, something like that.
That sounds good. I heard that thing on the radio a few times. Yeah, get a little spin there.
You know, the radio thing ain't really nothing new.
That's nothing new to you.
Yeah,
You've been out here for a long time.
Been on the radio since I was like 16.
Yeah,
so
you a young OG now.
Yeah, so you know how that go. But we love it. We appreciate everything. You know what I'm saying? This wouldn't happen without God and the fans. So we appreciate all that. We just gonna stay focused and keep giving them that good music.
I need you to flip those one time, man. If you need something else, I really don't want you to put this in my pot, but
what?
If you have to, if you really need to.
The spoon? Yeah. Alright, nah, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
I know you're not like me yet. Not like me yet. But I'm working on it.
Yeah, I'm trying to get there, you know what I'm saying?
I tried to give some of y'all a game.
Yeah, I'm trying. You know what I mean?
Tried to get some of y'all a game.
Yeah, but shoot, why would we? And you gotta think about where we coming from. Like why would we need to when we getting stuff like this?
Well, y'all used to getting a little honey jerk salmon and these lemon pepper wings and only some of y'all can get that yak sauce because the little ones can't get that.
Word.
Yeah.
But I'm just glad that the world is seeing all this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like things that we've been able to.
Yeah, we got a family full of hustlers.
Yeah, for sure. You know, they have to. That's we don't got time to be sitting laying around. So you know how that go at all.
Yeah. So you got that thing down there, boy.
Oh man, I'm trying, man. I'm trying to be alright with this. I'm trying to be alright with this thing, man.
I might have to get you on the truck with me.
Oh man,
that truck coming soon.
Yeah, when I serve, the price go up on the food a little bit because it's me serving. You know what I'm saying? Respectfully.
Oh, price go up.
Yeah, when I serve.
I feel you.
But yeah, man. I'm trying, man. I'm trying to. I'll be having to take I take my medicine often, so I gotta. It comes with a little hunger side effect. So
yeah.
I gotta eat right.
That 420 medicine, I tell you.
Yeah, I gotta take my medicine. So
I know all about it.
Yeah, I gotta take my medicine. It helped me give y'all a lot of these hits that we giving y'all, man. So I'm just grateful that I'm learning.
I think that might have been what helped me create this here Kickin' Cajun. It definitely helped me with the yak sauce.
The yak sauce.
Yeah. It helped me bring that yak sauce together.
Yeah, the yak sauce is fire. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, you about ready there, player? Yeah, them things golden. Yeah, them things ready.
Yeah, I'm trying to get right. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get right a little bit.
Yeah, I might have taught you a little bit.
A little bit. I mean, just trying to get right.
Okay, show the people what you did.
You know what I'm saying? Ooh.
And then as you do that, right?
Yeah.
You crack this, a little bit of that lemon pepper for him.
Mm-hmm.
Shake it real good for him. And then you crack that lemon pepper for it.
Yeah, that's it right there. That's it right there. Wow.
Yeah. Now that's how you make a shrimp.
Yeah, wow.
Well, I can see you was ready.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
You like that?
I don't.
I think you did good, son. I think you did good.
Man, shouts to me.
Yeah, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you for hanging out with me and introducing the world to these products I got here.
Yeah, man. Listen, man.
And shout out to you for that Millie.
Yeah, man. You know, we here in this family, you know, we hustle, we get to it. So, you know, we focus. We're gonna keep on chasing our dreams. And
Absolutely, the grind don't stop.
At all. You know what I'm saying?
We
so
celebrate for a minute and get back to it.
We live in testaments to that. You know
Absolutely.
what I'm saying? Make sure y'all go pick up all of these because y'all gonna need all of this. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna definitely need all of this. Like, I know y'all loving the lemon pepper right now. Lemon pepper go crazy. This yak sauce though.
That yak, they don't know about that yak.
This yak sauce. Y'all already know about this, huh? Man. This is the only one I'm scared of right here.
You ain't ready for that kick. You ain't ready for the kick.
Yeah, man. But you know, man, keep up. Listen, because I don't want y'all to think I'm bull. I'm ready to buy this whole plate right now. I just want to look crazy on camera. But it is what it is.
Well, son, thank you for coming and hang out with me.
No, thank you for having me.
I appreciate you. Y'all come on out here and support small businesses and get y'all place together. Get y'all place together.
Instead of an invoice, can I just take this and get it by there?
Got you.
All right, cool. All right, yeah. She paid me.
Thank y'all. And again, y'all keep running up them songs he got. He got that dripping. He got that coquito. Continue to run up that Love Come Down.